Welcome to the Spiration Valve System Balloon Preparation in Service. Today, we will review the proper steps for preparing the B5-2C balloon catheter to be used in airway sizing. The airway sizing kit is used to determine the appropriate valve size to use for each target airway. The kit consists of a glass microliter syringe and a calibration gauge, along with the airway sizing worksheet and instructions for use. A balloon catheter is used in conjunction with the airway sizing kit. Some non-Olympus items are required. They are a 10 cc sterile syringe with luer lock fitting and sterile saline. To ensure that the appropriate valve size is selected for each targeted airway, the balloon catheter must be calibrated prior to its use. To calibrate the balloon, first remove the black lightproof cover from the balloon and set it aside, as it will be used later. Confirm that the stopcock supplied with the system is firmly attached. Do not over-tighten the stopcock, as it is possible to damage the luer fittings. Fill the 10 cc syringe with approximately 3 cc of sterile saline. Purge any air from the syringe and connect it to the stopcock port. Holding the syringe oriented with the plunger up, pull the syringe plunger to approximately the 10 cc mark and hold for at least 10 seconds to create a vacuum, removing the air from the balloon. While maintaining the vacuum, tap on the side of the syringe to assist in removing bubbles from the stopcock. While keeping the syringe with the plunger up, slowly release the plunger until the vacuum is no longer present. Visually confirm that the balloon is fully deflated after this step and set aside with syringe still attached. Using sterile saline, wet the plunger for the glass syringe from the airway sizing kit and completely insert it into the 500 microliter glass syringe and fill with at least 500 microliters sterile saline. Remove any air bubbles from the syringe. Set the syringe to the 480 microliter mark and set aside. While holding the B5-2C balloon in one hand, remove the 10 cc syringe, using it to fill the void space in the stopcock with saline until it is full, taking care to ensure no large bubbles are trapped in the stopcock connector. Attach the prepared glass syringe to the stopcock port, taking care not to over-tighten the syringe, as it is possible to damage the luer lock fittings. Exercise the balloon once by fully inflating and deflating it. Slowly draw back the plunger to 500 microliters, ensuring the balloon is fully deflated. Replace the black lightproof cover. Your balloon is now prepared and ready to be calibrated.